Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio, and I'm here with a journal share of a project that I've had a tutorial on, and that is putting together this cardstock folio that looks a lot like a file folder folio, but it's made out of cardstock. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please check out my tutorial. I'll put that link down below. I use Stamperia's 8x8 pad, Voyages Fantastique. And I show how I decorated, how I made the pages interactive, and that type of thing. So let's get started with this one on this side, and they're very, very similar, but there are some slight differences. So it has a chipboard, 2 layers of chipboard for the top, and some metal gears, and a cute little chain with a key on it. Now I have put the word journal in here, but you can slip this out and put whatever words you would like. This is some Tim Holtz fabric that is at binding it together, and this is the back. Okay, I've got some crinkled seam binding for the closure, and this is the first page. I have 2 tags that I've made for this page, but this is almost like a secret pocket, right? It doesn't look like it is a pocket, so you could put something kind of fun in there. So that's the first one, and there's a side pocket, and I have a little German spot there, and I'll keep on going. And here's a belly band with this really fun ruler card and a map tag behind this engine pocket. There's 2 of these notepads in here, and together they make 31 pages, so that you have enter 1 page a month if you would like, or whatever you would want to do with that. And here this little tag slips out, and you can put your own photo inside this little cabinet card frame. Here's another those pages with a tuck spot, and I have put in a couple of journaling cards inside there. Really a fun digitals. And oh, we forgot that there's a top loading tag, a large top loading tag on this page here. Side pocket with another little journaling opportunity, and nice place to maybe put a photograph. A flip out with some journaling opportunities there. Love this seam. I left it alone so that you can do what you would like with it. Here's the other of the notepads, and again, they are refillable, in which you can take the brands out and put holes in new paper and use it and keep using it if you would like. Here's another photo place for a photo if you would like, and the top loading tag. Here's some more journaling opportunities, and I have 2 cards tucked inside this pocket. But of course, you can put whatever you would like in that pocket. Here's a side loading card with some collaging on it. This is a Tim Holtz die cut with lots of these really cute little journaling cards that came with the kit. Just all over, tucked in here, everywhere. And then on this side, we have a pocket with a balloon that floats up out of the pocket. And this is a journaling spot as well, with a cute little open window down there. And so that is this particular one, which is called Journal. With both of these, I am including a bag of little cute scraps of paper that you can have fun with. And now we'll go through the second one. And I am listing the same video for both listings of these, so the first one may or may not be available. And so it's the same thing on the outside. We have a chipboard, charms, metal gears. Inside are the two tags. This is the side pocket for this one. Here is a map. It's a slightly different color than the other one. Same pad, and a little place for your photo down here. The two top loaders tags are the same as they are in the first one. And here are the cards. I slip them. These took spots. This is the large tag. Great place to put a photo. Flip out the second notepad. Another place for you to put a photograph in if you would like. This does have a digital background, which is a little different than the first one. The same side pocket. And here is the large tag for that. Same mini, just little tiny mini journaling cards are so cute. And the same pocket that has the balloon that comes out. So there you be. These are the two journals that are going to be in my shop. And I hope you subscribe so that you know what else I'm going to be making down the road. And also check out the tutorial if you're interested in that. Thank you so much for viewing. We'll talk to you later. Bye.